Good morning to all, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to show you a plant, a beautiful rose flower plant. Look at this. This plant has many parts. The bottom we can see the root. Root is very helpful for the plant. It is collecting water for the entire plant. Then there is stem. The stem is the backbone of this plant, and this stem is supporting all the branches and leaves. And next, look at the leaves. These leaves are collecting food for the plant. There are many branches for this plant. In these branches, there are many buds and there are many flowers. Look at these buds. These buds are about to blossom. And look at the flower. This flower is very beautiful. We all like this flower. I hope that you all like this plant.